Welcome back. In this video, I'm just going to discuss different mixing techniques that you might encounter in the kitchen. Mixing is a general term that includes stirring, beating, blending, whipping, or folding. Two or more ingredients are generally dispersed in another until they become one product. Each mixing method gives a different texture and character to your product. These techniques use different tools such as appliances, blades, whisks, or spoons. They have a great impact on what happens during your mixing. Stirring is like a general mixing, typically with a spoon, and it's typically done using a circular motion. Just think of milk and coffee or tea. Beating is generally done in a vigorous back and forth motion, and that's mixing until your product is smooth. This adds a little bit of air to your mixture. It's typically done with a mixer, but you can use a whisk or a spoon or a spatula or even a fork. Examples are such as beating an egg, making dough or batter. Blending is a thorough combination of all ingredients until uniform. This is uniform in texture or color. It's typically done with a blender or a mixer. Whipping or whisking involves incorporating air. The mixture increases in volume and it makes the mixture light and fluffy. This can be done with a whisk, or best results are actually done with an electric mixer. This is an example would be whipping egg whites for a meringue. Folding is a gentle mixing of ingredients or mixtures. You're generally folding a lighter mixture into a heavier mixture. Generally, you're actually bringing the heavier mixture on top of the lighter mixture, but it's done very gently. This is an example would be incorporating whipped egg whites into a cake batter. Here I'm just folding honey into the avocado mousse that I made. Mashing, as seen in this video, creates a soft mass which is not uniform. But it is still a mixture as you're incorporating butter and cream.